Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that every time I'm at the store, my husband, or like certain stores, my husband asked me to pick up for him. It's called Guyz Beard Oil 25. Basically, it's just like the label says, it's an oil for your beard. He has a pretty long beard, like the hair can get a little bit kinky and stuff, so he loves this to just kind of moisturize and hold the hairs in place, especially when it's like a hot day or something like that. You know, with the humidity and everything, hair can get a little kinky and curly, and this is just a really great product to not only help moisturize but to help grow your hair. So it's a blend of oils guaranteed to soften and nourish your beard with 25 natural oils and butters that will feed your face and, like I said, grow your facial hair. The features and details: it's got natural oils for the skin and hair, and it works to soften and condition facial hair, and it moisturizes the skin to prevent dryness or any kind of irritation. This is the 2-ounce bottle, and I would say this has been lasting him for quite some time now. So like I would say at least like four weeks, something like that. Ooh. So yeah, it's like in a pretty like compact bottle. It has like this little easy to use top. You just screw it off. Open it up and show you guys. So it's like a little dropper. And then I don't know, you guys could see like the color. It's like a caramel color, like a yellowish brown almost. Dropper bottle. So basically you just like, I think you just use like a couple drops. Let's see on the directions on the back what it says. It says Beard Guyz products will never contain any harsh chemicals. The skin under your beard is very sensitive and can easily become dry or irritated. Beard Oil 25 contains a blend of 25 natural and organic oils that have exceptional benefits for the skin and hair. This quick absorbing oil provides deep moisturizing of the skin as it works to help soften and tame your beard. Easy to use directions: after washing and towel drying your beard, apply several drops of Beard Oil 25 to your fingertips and massage into your beard. Work from the tips of the hair to the skin and repeat as needed. So super easy to use. I know he sometimes brings this in his gym bag, like if he showers at the gym or at work, just to like have on him, just to, you know, after he towel dries his beard, to kind of add a little bit of this to soften. And I definitely think it's helped grow his beard, because his beard has definitely grown long in a short amount of time. So I think that that's really awesome. And then all the ingredients are listed here. So they've got some interesting stuff: almond oil, coconut, jojoba, argan, bark extract, vitamin E, rosehip, apricot, seed oil, stuff to really like moisturize, fruit oil. Oh, I see the certified organic label on here too, so it's pretty awesome. Who doesn't want to use an organic product if you're able to? That's pretty great. It's distributed by Universal Beauty Products Incorporated, which is in Glendale Heights, Illinois. And I guess they have like a Facebook and Twitter and stuff, so you could follow them and see what's going on with that. It says it's beard tested, so that's great. I like the bottle, easy to use. I'm just going to drop a little bit on my skin so you guys could see the consistency and stuff like that. You guys see? So it's like a light, like brown honey color, super soft. I'm just gonna rub it in. It feels so nice. It just feels so moisturizing. It doesn't have much of a scent. It just smells like, I don't know. It just smells very natural and not too much, which is good. You know, I don't think you want like a floral scent or anything like that in a man's product, because then that can sometimes smell very feminine and stuff like that. So it's really nice. Again, that's Beard Guyz Beard Oil 25, the original grooming company with 25 natural and organic oils. Moisturize, condition, and style your beard and your skin. I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you found the video useful. See you later.